loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if this is your first time here, please don't make your last by clicking on that subscribe button, and if it's not, welcome back, my darlings. So as you guys can tell, this is voiceover Debbie here, and I just came to wish you guys a happy new year. Guys, this is the first video of the year, and I'm trying to come back more consistent than I was last year, because honestly I don't know what I was doing last year. I feel like I was playing too much, but I'm trying to be more consistent this year. So I'm starting off the year with this video, this vlog, which is a compilation of all the vlogs you guys never saw in December. So hopefully you guys love it, and yeah, let's get straight into this vlog. Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to the vlog. So I just finished Bible study not so long ago, and it is currently 8:01. I'm about to finish my coffee here and jump in the shower. I have to go to the bank. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I've been trying to open a bank account in Grenada for the longest time, and it has been a struggle. The number of things that have been required, like they tell you bring this or bring that or bring this, like to the point where I felt like I wasn't even opening the account for me, and I was opening the account more so for my dad, because they said to ask for specific things, and I'm like, the account is for me not for him. So I don't understand like why it's such a struggle. It means like you guys don't want money, you guys don't want customers, because if I have to open an account and it's taking like a whole month to open the account, I'm not gonna open it anymore. I'm just like, we can reduce the stress on ourselves by just simplifying this process. There's no reason why I have to write a letter to open an account. I'm stressed.
1 week later.
Hey guys, good morning. It's currently 7:42 and today is Thursday, December 15th. I have a lot of stuff to do today, so I tried to bring you guys along. Today is about to be crazy, that's all I can say. First of all, I need to respond to emails and messages. That's 1. 2, I need to go buy attachments. Actually, I think 1 should be I need to do laundry. Yeah, that's 1. 2, messages, emails. 3, attachments. 4, I need to go and edit. I have a whole bunch of stuff that I need to edit, so that is what I'm going to do today. And I'm not editing in the house. I was going to go with Sharon to go edit at Brown Girls Cafe. It's a new cafe that just opened up not so long ago, but we haven't been there, so we're just going to go there, check out like how the vibes are, and basically just edit there for the rest of the day, because Sharon has a whole lot of stuff that she needs to edit. I have a whole lot of stuff I need to edit as well. We're just going to catch up, edit all of that there, but she's not responding to her messages, so I don't know if we're still going. Yeah, that's what the plan is for today. Guys, so it's currently 9:33. I said I was going to leave this house before 10, so that's good. I quickly have a few more things that I need to do before I leave. I need to go take out my clothes from the laundry and then put them on the line, and then I think what I'm going to do is I'll first of all go to get my hair stuff. I forgot to mention that I wanted to get a few things from the grocery store, which I'm also going to do from Montu. So let me quickly rush and go get my stuff out from the washing machine and put them on the line, and then we will start going. Hey guys, good morning. I'm about to start heading for my hair appointment. It's currently 9:55 and I want to quickly go to town first. Well, I have to head to town anyways, but I need to go to town, get a few things from there, and then get another bus to go to the hairdresser that I found to do my hair. So yeah, let's go.
I'm just in the bus, sitting sideways, way that you looking all the time. Time gets a ticking and it takes a toll. Told you I couldn't really draw the line. Line ringing, saying that you told him things that you could've kept inside. Sidetracking me when I was good to you. You were somebody I would stand behind. I know you like to drink to the sun up, grind till you come up, work all winter, shine all summer, ride for your brother, you die for your mother, keep that shit 100. I know you wanna vacate to a place where you could take pictures, post.
Hey guys, so it's currently 10:05. I literally got home at 9:40 or so, but I'm home now and this is what my hair looks like. It looks so good. But yeah, I'm about to go shower. So I forgot to show you guys the things that I bought in town before my hair appointment. I got some hydrogen peroxide for my teeth because I heard that it makes your teeth whiter, so I got this. So I got this for my hair just to put it up sometimes. So yeah, it was like, I think it was like $7 or $5. Then I got my perfume, which clearly says men, but I literally can't handle women scents. I don't know why, but I feel like these ones last longer. That's what I think. But anyways, lastly, I got a bonnet. This thing, it says extra large here, but look at the size. Just look at the size. This looks like a medium and not an extra large. And I don't know if it's going to fit my braids, but I think it will. But anyways, let me go and shower and eat and sleep. This is the second time I'm saying this, but I'm actually going. Bye.
you cry.